Welcome sports fans, welcome back to another video. So happy to be back with you guys again. I'm Joe Mar.
I'm Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV. You know, the place you guys come to get the best, most riveting and interesting sports topics on the internet. Right?
Yes.
And today, we're going to switch it up, guys. So a lot of people have been telling me, oh, Joe Mar, is this a football channel? Because all in the area talk about football. And to be honest, football has been hot. However, Rush, many things are heating up right now. And today we're going to give them the first taste of This or That Sports TV's coverage on NBA basketball.
Yes, it's our first NBA video. And you know, it's a very good topic to start off, you know. And I want to put it to the people before we even discuss it. Who do you guys think is the best player in the NBA this season? Or generally just this year? Or for the past season? Who is the best player in the NBA?
Alright, so before we start, because as you guys would have seen in the thumbnail, seen in the title, we're going to speak on who is the best player. Like the video, share the video. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, guys. May I beg? You get me? So we are putting in the work, subscribe to the video, and then comment who you guys think is the best player in the NBA, right? Without further ado, Rush, let's get right into it.
Alright, so what you want? You want to list some players and then we pick, or you want just go straight away what you think is the best?
I'm telling you straight off the bat, Giannis Antetokounmpo is the best player in the NBA. And in my opinion, I think Giannis has consistently proven that he has been one of the best players in the NBA for the last couple of seasons. However, I think coming off of his NBA championship season, back-to-back MVP season, and then in the third season, so MVP 2019, MVP 2020, and then in 2021 winning the Finals MVP, which is the big one. You get me, I say? An outstanding playoffs run, and I think Giannis was snubbed in the MVP run. I thought I had Giannis as my MVP. They picked Jokic because of, you know, Yannick fatigue, but I had Giannis for 3 straight, in fact. So I think Giannis is the best player in the NBA, and I don't think it's up for debate. Yes, some honorable mentions like
I'm not give mine it. So we have got honorable mentions. So I will tell you, because I don't agree.
But then if you don't agree, you don't know much about basketball.
Alright, guys, tell me in the comment section. I think Kevin Durant is the best player in the NBA this season. And I think he's having the best season so far.
Why? Because he's lead the league in scoring?
Not just that.
Then why else?
Because we have to look for your impact and winning too.
Alright.
You know? Second in the East. You see me? Without one of his, you know, they have a big tree in Brooklyn. You know, Kyrie hasn't been playing for much of the season, and Kevin Durant has been keeping them afloat. James Harden is a shell of himself. So, yeah, Kevin Durant has been playing better this season than Giannis Antetokounmpo. And overall, you can't tell me that a man is the best player in the NBA and there's an answer for him. There's no answer for Kevin Durant. We have the answer for Giannis.
And what is the answer for Giannis?
Just clog up the paint, make him shoot. So jump shot.
Apparently they have an answer for Giannis, and Giannis
68 from the free throw.
Giannis is still averaging 27 points. He's still averaging over 11 rebounds a game and practically 6 assists. So in 3 statistical categories, maybe even 4, if I'm not mistaken, he's averaging a higher quantity than Kevin Durant. And in points per game, Giannis is still averaging the 3rd highest points per game in the NBA. Giannis' team is 3rd in the East, and his team didn't start that well, and they are constantly growing. I just think Giannis does everything at a high level that he needs to do. He's very efficient. Not a great shooter, but he's a very efficient scorer, very good passer, the best defender in the NBA, and I think a very smart player. And I think showing his ability to win after his last NBA season, I just think there is no competition between who is right now the top dog in the NBA.
Alright, so this
Kevin Durant has been on a tear.
Go on, man, go on.
Scoring very efficiently and very well, but I just think Giannis Antetokounmpo is better.
Alright, so when you look at the primary stats, Kevin Durant is averaging 30 points in NBA this season. Obviously leading the league. He might have 8 rebounds. I'm running up and down. Right? So 8 rebounds and 6 assists. Giannis have 28 points, 11 rebounds and 6 assists. So if we're talking
about the points still, like for the 6 assists, don't come say like the 2 of them have run up, but Giannis have
5.8 and Kevin Durant have 5.8. Same, 5.8, 5.8. So them average the same amount of assists. But Giannis blew him out of the water in terms of rebounds, which is fine.
I make to see block shots now. And steals.
No, but then we can talk about efficiency. You can talk about free throw line.
No, but efficiency numbers, Giannis is still more efficient than Kevin Durant.
That's what I'm saying. You can talk
so
about free throw efficiency.
Field goal efficiency. Yeah, we talk about
that's one.
He's a better free throw shooter. Yeah. Fine, he's a better free throw shooter.
Giannis is a better shot blocker. Okay.
No, Giannis is a better defender. Period.
Yes, he is.
And almost as good offensive player. And if we're going to talk about field goal, if we're going to talk about field goal percentage, Giannis' field goal percentage is higher than Kevin Durant.
And that's what I say. You look for one area of efficiency.
Yeah.
I'm saying if you talk about free throw efficiency, there's no comparison.
No,
KD 80 plus,
Giannis
60.
He's a better shooter.
All right. He's a better offensive player, and it's not so close for you to say, oh, he's right there. There's no answer for Kevin Durant. Period. Yes, Giannis is a better defensive player, but
Giannis is the best defender in the NBA.
Fine. Yeah, defensive player here, so I can't argue it. But Kevin Durant going forward or offensively, best player in the NBA this year, and he have a better record, in the same conference. So we only can talk about this so far.
As I said, Giannis' versatility, also coming off the fact that Giannis just won the NBA. Wait, sorry, I could have take that again. Come there, bitch. Giannis' versatility, also the fact that Giannis is coming off an NBA winning season, bro. I just think Giannis Antetokounmpo, right now, for me, I'll take him 7 days of the week and 2 times on Sunday over Kevin Durant.
So if you have the two of them on the wall, I have to take Giannis first. Fine, people, let us know in the comment section.
In my opinion, I take Giannis first. I can play Giannis at 5 positions on the NBA court. All 5 of them. And Giannis will be efficient at every single last one. And I just don't think... don't get me wrong.
There's an answer for Giannis. There's no answer for Kevin Durant.
Kevin Durant is extremely versatile, don't get me wrong. Kevin Durant can play at 5 positions as well, without a doubt. So I'm not saying that, Kevin Durant is one-dimensional or is not able to play 5 positions. However, if you are picking at center between Giannis and Kevin Durant, you're going to pick Giannis. At 4, who will you pick? Depending on if you're playing...
Every other position, me have Kevin Durant. If Giannis not there, 5, then we don't want him on the court. No, what? If more want Kevin Durant to handle the ball or Giannis, more want Kevin Durant to handle the ball.
I think Giannis Antetokounmpo is a better...
Right now,
I think he's a better passer than Kevin Durant, I really do. And I just think Giannis Antetokounmpo with the ball going down the hill is comparable to no other in the NBA.
Well, fine, and some other names that people will throw out there, people that were snubbing, Steph Curry having a wonderful season.
Steph Curry, a big shout right now. I think Steph Curry is in the top 3 for the MVP running.
And let me just give them the stats, the primary stats. I'm not going to go into it too much. But yeah, Steph Curry averaging 27 points, that's 6th in the league. 5.3 rebounds and 6.1 assists. And so having a wonderful season.
And don't get those statistics misconstrued.
Leading the NBA.
Steph Curry is the person carrying that Warriors team to the performance and the season that Warriors team are having right now, without Klay Thompson. So let's not sleep on Steph Curry, guys. Steph Curry is without a doubt one of the best players in the NBA right now.
No, his team is leading the NBA in terms of wins and losses.
And
he's the man on the team. So some people would say Steph Curry. Best record in the NBA, best player on the team. How can you not say that he's the best player in the NBA right now?
And even an argument for another day, bro, all-time point guard. I think Steph Curry is slowly pushing his way to the top. Watch out Magic Johnson. But besides Steph Curry, there are other players, the two wingmen at Chicago Bulls, Zach LaVine and DeMar DeRozan, both having outstanding season. Both having outstanding seasons.
But the thing is why I didn't include any of the Chicago boys in my best player this season is just because I think it's more of a team effort from Chicago, more of an individual player standing out. So I can't say, all right, DeRozan are the best player this season because it's too many players are giving big time contribution to the Chicago Bulls this year. But oh boy, LeBron James, we can't count out LeBron James.
Yeah, LeBron James is still doing the
want the stats?
As people would say. Tell them the stats.
28.6 points, hitting second right behind Kevin Durant in points, averaging 7.5 rebounds and 6.4 assists, 19th in the league. And this man is what? 37-year-old?
Ridiculous.
That is crazy.
And we are here sleeping on LeBron James. I still believe LeBron James is a top 5 player. In fact, he may well still be a top 3 player. I don't think.
And at the end of the season, we might be having a conversation for the best player in the NBA. Just watch.
For sure.
So Anthony Davis can come back and the team can just look different.
Big run, and LeBron makes an MVP run. So don't get me wrong. LeBron is not to be slept on, and in my opinion, the greatest of all time. But I think right now he's trailing, but not far behind Giannis and Kevin Durant. in the run for the best player.
Yeah, man. So people, if we left out anybody, let us know in the comment section. Who is the best player in the NBA this year? Kevin Durant, Giannis Antetokounmpo, LeBron James, Steph Curry.
You know, them are the Rose and Zach LaVine.
Let us know. But yeah, that's it.
Yeah, guys. So as I said, first NBA video we'll be doing a lot more. Leave in the comment section. You guys agree with Joe Mara, of course. Giannis is the best player.
I think we win that one still. But go on.
That's it. So let's put in the comment section. Joe Mara's right, as usual, guys. You know how that go.
Yeah.
Before we go to maths.
Get it, man. Really?
Alright, so guys, first basketball video. So all of my hoop fans out there watching right now, this is directly to you guys and everybody else that watch as well. If you guys can share this video and get us 5 subscribers, you know how many subscribers that would rake us in by the end of the day? So just do the thing now.
Alright.
This is That Sports TV. Out.